Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace a 35mm faucet cartridge by Stylish. These instructions also apply to the following models: Wittinit K-131, Venezia K-130, Milano K-107, Revo K-148, and Alba K-151. The materials needed for this process are a new cartridge, an Allen wrench, and a plier wrench. To begin, unscrew the faucet handle as shown in the video. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the screw that holds the base of the handle. Once completely loose, remove the handle base to access the cartridge. Unscrew the cap that covers the cartridge threading. Using the plier wrench, turn the securing nut counterclockwise to loosen it. Now simply pull the old cartridge straight out. Check the inside of the cylinder to ensure there are no residues or foreign materials that could obstruct the proper functioning of the new cartridge. Insert the new cartridge in the correct position. Place the securing nut back and tighten it clockwise using the plier wrench. Screw the cover back over the cartridge. Reattach the handle base to the faucet. Use the Allen wrench again to tighten the base screws securely. Finally, screw the handle back on, turning it clockwise. And that's it. With just 2 tools and these simple steps, you have successfully replaced the cartridge in your faucet.